I'm Steven with Mod in Japan, and behind me we have the MKIII, the 2020 Toyota Supra that we built for the SEMA Show in 2019. Today we're in Orange, California visiting our friends at APEXi USA to take a deeper and closer look at their brand new exhaust system, the N1-X. The OEM sleeve type exhaust system weighs in at 54.5 pounds, and when uninstalling it can be a bit awkward to maneuver since it's a single piece with no flanges. Now the APEXi N1-X is available in two versions, resonated and non-resonated midpipes. For the testing on our Mod in Japan MKIII, we installed the non-resonated midpipe version. This exhaust system is made in Japan from hand TIG-Welded 304 stainless steel, and the quality is immaculate. Now what's uncommon with this Japanese exhaust is they maintain the European sleeve type construction and included some pretty hefty brackets. Now installation is your straightforward remove and replace and requires only basic hand tools. Now the engineering of the exhaust flow is quite unique and deliberate. To achieve that signature APEXi sound, it begins as a single 80mm pipe from the flex pipe and splits into twin 60.5mm pipes that expands to 65mm and expands again to a final 70mm with a twin muffler exit. On the valve side, there's a 120mm muffler, and on the non-valve side, a 160mm muffler. The tips are made from true titanium and are rolled dual wall. Tip size was selected because it's the maximum diameter you can install with the OEM exhaust cutouts without fear of melting anything. This exhaust system works seamlessly with your OEM valves, so just unplug your OEM one and plug it into the APEXi exhaust system and you're ready to go. If you have any other questions, we've left links in the description below, and let us know what you think about this exhaust in the comments.